Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. Is your Word document refusing to open, or it does but keeps showing an error message along with unreadable text or missing content? The file may be corrupted, but don't worry because recovery is still possible. In this video, I will show you the method that works best for me to fix corrupted Word files on your Windows computer. Let's go. Instead of struggling with complicated settings, using a repair tool is a much easier and faster way to fix corrupted files, or those ones that refuse to open. Unlike other online tools that usually only work with one type, this tool I recommend is a great all-in-one solution for repairing videos, photos, and documents all in one place, which is really handy when you have different file problems. So, if you suddenly can't open some of your files, download this tool using my link below for a chance to fix them for free. Once you install the software, go to the specific repair section for the type of file you need to fix. To fix damaged documents like Word files, Excel sheets, PDFs, zip archives, and other types of files that won't open or give you errors when you do, go to the File Repair section. Simply upload or drag and drop your files directly. Click Repair and let the software handle the rest. Once the repair is done, click the Save button to save the working copy to your computer. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions about the video or want me to create a tutorial about another topic, leave a comment below. See you next time. Bye.